Lana, are you bored?
I'm never bored when I'm chatting with you.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure.
Why?
Let's let mysteries remain mysteries.
Oh, good.
Let's start cooking now. We need 3 eggs. Blend the eggs together. In 120 milliliters condensed milk. According to Wikipedia, condensed milk is cow's milk from which water has been removed. It is most often found with sugar added, in the form of sweetened condensed milk, to the extent that the terms condensed milk and sweetened condensed milk are often used interchangeably today. Next is, mix 180 milliliters hot water. Let me sing you a song while you're mixing. Clean, clean, clean your hands, and if you're getting bored, remember, friend, that in the end, good health is your reward. Scrub, scrub, scrub your hands, you're almost there, hooray! Soap and water lather up at least 5 times a day. Let's continue. Combine eggs into your milk mixture. Mix, mix, mix your eggs.
Gently down the stream, merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Prepare your strainer. Strain your custard mixture. Do not press down during or after straining, as you want to remove any lumps or curdled bits from the mixture and ensure that your finished custard is silky. Uncooked custards, or, more accurately, custards that go on to bake in the oven, should also be strained, but they should be strained prior to cooking. Strain your mixture 3 to 4 times. Noisy dogs. To those who doesn't know me, my name is Lana, Lana Haplas Sa Lawas. Okay, let's continue. We need 4 tablespoons of water over medium heat. Four tablespoons of sugar. While it heats until it browns and turns into caramel. Check with a toothpick inserted. Let cool to room temperature and refrigerate. To serve, invert dish into a small plate.